welcome back to my channel. I'm Nishita Sharma and I am back with yet another makeup tutorial. So guys, I have tried to create this party look which is more of like for a brunch or an event or a function in afternoon where we don't want that dark makeup look. So this is gonna be a simple, subtle, soft, glowy makeup look. I hope you guys will like it. So guys, I have already moisturized my face. Now I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, shade 36 Golden. I am blending it well by using the concealer brush. Now from this ADS eyeshadow palette, I am going to use this cream eyeshadow to apply it on my crease line. I am doing this technique for the first time in my tutorial. I am going to apply 2 pieces of sellotapes on either side of the corner of my eye. Now I am going to use this light pink eyeshadow as the base for my eyes. Now I am using this dark brown color on the outer corners of my eyes to create a wing shape. Now to avoid the harsh lines, I am using this buffer brush. Now from this blush on palette, I am going to use this light pink color to apply it on the center of my eyes. I am using my fingers to dab it on the eyes to make the color look more prominent. Again I am using this buffer brush to blend it. Now remove the sellotapes and by using a earbud just soften the corners. Now I am using this light brown eyeshadow to apply it on the lower lash line. Here I am also using this white pencil kajal to make my eyes look bigger. Now I am using this CV3 liquid liner. I'm using this Lakme's Perfecting Liquid Foundation. I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now I am blending it by using my fingers. I'm using the same concealer to apply it on my under eyes, on the corners of my forehead and on the sides of my chin. Blend it well. Now again from the eyeshadow palette, I am using this black color eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows. Then I am using this Nika's Duo Contouring and Highlighting Palette to contour my cheekbones. My jawline. And my nose. Now again from the blush on palette, I am using this light pink shade to apply it on my cheekbones. Then I am using this Cover 10 setting powder to set the whole makeup. Now from the same Nika's Duo Contouring and Highlighting Palette, I am going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, corners of my forehead and my brow bones. Woohoo! Lipstick time. I'm using a very random lipstick, light pink color shade. I'm using this golden highlighter and applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. A little bit above my lips and a little bit under my lips. Finally, I am using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And it's done. So guys, I hope you liked the tutorial. And if you do, then don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.